If you've ever felt that you're working harder than ever but getting nowhere, this video is your turning point, because this is what I'm about to show you isn't just another side hustle. It's a system designed to solve the exact problems that keep freedom builders stuck. The full title of this video is Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System. Stick around to the end, because if you've ever wondered whether residual income is actually possible for someone like you, this video will give you the clarity and confidence to finally move forward. Let's talk about what makes HBA different. This isn't hype, it's a real platform with real mentorship built for people who want to build something meaningful without tech overwhelm or salesy nonsense. This DFY marketing system inside HBA gives you everything you need to start earning residual income. A simple funnel builder, easy email list tools, training that respects your time, and a compensation plan that pays 80% commissions month after month. So imagine paying $25 once and you get $20 back every single time from each member. So if you have 10 members, that's $250 a month. If you're tired of chasing shiny objects, this is the moment to get grounded. Smash that like button if you're done with the distractions. Drop a fire in the comment if you're really ready to build something real. Now, freedom seekers want clarity, not complexity. They want to know, how do I build income without selling my soul? How do I create leverage without losing my voice? And how do I solve real problems for real people? Tag someone who's stuck in the grind that needs this clarity. Subscribe for daily drops on affiliate marketing, side hustles, and residual income strategies. This system solves the core problems. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're overwhelmed, undersupported, and drowning in complexity. HBI simplifies everything, so you can focus on what matters: serving, solving, and scaling. Let's break down the proper power of residual income. With HBA's 80% commission module, one customer paying $25 a month earns you $20 every single month. That means 5 customers is $100 a month, 50 customers is $1,000 a month. And it compounds. You're not starting over every month. You're stacking income that grows while you sleep. And here's the kicker: you don't need a massive audience. You don't need paid ads. And you don't need a big tech wizard. You just need a system that works and a message that resonates. Speaking of system, this system I'm also building on that we have built on the back end will build any system, any online system. No matter what you're promoting, it will build it, whether it's HBA or something else. Now, I particularly recommend HBA because it's residual income, and it's the funnel builder that makes you stand out from everybody else. You want to build your list, you need to have a funnel, okay? And imagine getting, again, $20 a month for every single member, month after month after month. You're just scaling up until you get to a point where you can actually get your goals, whether that's to retire, whether it's a monetary goal, something in the bank, or a new car, whatever it might be. You get that goal and you work towards it every single month. You're not starting over from zero. Okay, I made $3,000 a month, but now I'm at zero again. It's a new month. No, that $3,000 can be $3,000 plus what you make that month. Make sense? So I want to show you something. I'm going to click on a video, okay? And you can just see I am not logged in, okay? So this is affiliate mentor bonuses. I'm searching for a search term that I've already ranked for, okay? I've already made videos for these. And so is everybody else on our team, okay? To show you that this can build any system. Okay, this is not HBA, but something will build HBA or any other online system that whether you're trying to get multiple streams of income or just something that you're already building. You need something to stand out. Okay, I'm only going to mention things that are from our team. So, Postcard Lifestyle, the number 3 video. Okay, Postcard Lifestyle. Mr. Orange Dream. Make money on with JJ. That's me. Make money on with JJ. Another video from me. Saeem. Another member of our team. Make money on with JJ. Make money on with JJ. And notice, this is Not bonuses, it's Home Business Academy Back Office Tour. So I ranked for affiliate mentor bonuses with Home Business Academy. Very important, okay? Pretty cool, right? Affiliate mentor bonuses is the actual name of this thing, okay? Here's another postcard lifestyle, and there was Mr. Orange Dream, okay? And there's a whole playlist by affiliate mentor review by postcard lifestyle. Here's another Make Money Online with JJ. Postcard lifestyle, postcard lifestyle, postcard lifestyle, postcard lifestyle. Are you getting the picture? You can not only be trained on the day-to-day steps to build lead traffic and sales, but also, more importantly, your team can duplicate your success. They will learn the same things you learning. Okay, we're gonna have a team build site that's built just for HBA, and I've already seen it in Affiliate Mentor, and it's super powerful. And believe it or not, when I joined Affiliate Mentor, okay, I joined because I wanted to learn attraction marketing from Postcard Lifestyle. Okay, he's taught me everything he knows, and I've expounded upon that, and I've learned, and now I don't have to get with him every single day. I know how to rank my videos, you know? I know how to do the daily steps, so I'm adding to the core principles he's taught me, and he taught me immensely. He's taught me more than any other mentor I've ever been with by far. You can tell I've had 12 to 14 years in this space, but if you add all that up, the first month I learned more with him than I learned with anybody else. Okay, and that's the power of this system and this team training building site. Not only can you get live help, okay, but you can also plug in and get step-by-step videos of how to do everything step by step. Okay, and it's copy and paste simple, and I'm going to prove that to you in just one moment. Okay, so I'm going to go to the HBA because I'm going to show you how much tools we have, but I want to actually show you a funnel. Okay, so let's see, hopefully it's right here. Okay, give me a moment, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm actually in my funnel builder tool, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to actually change a video out. Okay, if you're building a funnel with the actual tools. So I'm going to go Affiliate Mentor Best Bonuses Ever. Okay, copy and paste that. Okay, copy. Then I'm going to go into my funnel builder. I'm going to change this right here, right? Boom, that's changed, right? So I'm going to change the video now, right? Okay, so I'm going to go to share, copy link. Okay, and go back to my video. Okay, you see this right here, edit video. Now watch this. It's going to actually change. Pretty cool, right? Pretty simple, right? Can you do that? Can you do the simple steps and be consistent with it day after day? You know, make the videos. Then all you got to do is syndicate them on the channels that it shows you to. And you do these simple steps, and more importantly, do your people do these simple steps that they teach you with these not only one-on-one sessions, but more importantly, the over-the-shoulder video that shows you exactly, you can pause, rewind, replay, slow it down, whatever, you know, YouTube style videos that will teach you these steps step by step, and you feel like you have a coach right in the background teaching you exactly how to do everything. And that's what makes this system so powerful. HBA is amazing, and it's that funnel that everybody needs to use. Maybe you're using a $97 funnel builder, okay? There's a lot of them out there that are $97, $147. What about $25 that pays 80% residually and has the same tools in it or better for much cheaper, and you can get paid 80% commissions month after month? Can you scale with that? Do you like to save money? Okay, and more importantly, make the best amount of commissions? Yeah, I bet you do. I do too. So again, we showed you how simple that was. And so if you make a mistake, you can refresh, right? Or you can back out. Watch, I'm going to back out completely. Okay, look, it started all over. Pretty simple, right? Pretty cool. Okay, and this is when you get into the thing, here's all the different things, and everything pays 80% residually. Okay, but you only have to start with the Funnel Builder Academy the $25 product, which is what I have, and then you funnel builder tool, log in. Boom, I'm logged in. Okay, look at all these funnels that I have built, okay, have in the system. Okay, here's another video. Okay, the simple steps are powerful if you use them day after day. Again, I want to show you something, right? Okay, affiliate mentor team bonuses is the name of this, right? But look, I was showing you I ranked for videos that are not affiliate mentor. See, Home Business Academy. Home Business Academy back office tour inside the $25 funnel builder. Says nothing about affiliate mentor or bonuses. That is powerful. That is the compound effect of YouTube, okay? I'm not even searching for anything that says affiliate mentor or bonuses, right? None of those are in this term right here, right? You see any of that? No, you don't. So the more videos you make, the easier it is to rank for all the terms that you need to rank for. And you learn this training inside the system once you get started with the system, okay? We're going to be giving it to you, okay? He's building it, and I've seen it built for a different program, Affiliate Mentor. So I know how powerful it is, and it's all I wanted when I joined. I was interested in Affiliate Mentor, but I wanted the training, because the training can change your life. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. Comment below with your biggest challenge. I'll reply with a mindset shift. Share this with someone who's stuck in analysis paralysis. They need this clarity. Inside HBA, you're not just getting tools, you're getting mentorship, you're getting community, you're getting a path that's been walked by people who care more about impact than income, and it helps feed starving children. That's pretty cool too, right? Let's talk about the funnel builder. It's $25 a month. It's drag and drop simple. I've shown that to you, and it's built for people who want to launch fast, stay congruent, and focus on solving problems, not tinkering with tech. Most platforms charge you $97 a month or more just to get started. HBA flips that model. You get everything you need for a fraction of the cost, and you earn 80% commissions on every single sale you make. So you get paid residually. You have residual bills, right? You have rent, you have electricity, you have maybe car insurance, car note, and that's residual bills, right? So you need residual income, right, to snap out of the matrix, right? Now, this is what freedom seekers have been waiting for. A system that respects your time, a plan that pays you fairly, a community that lifts you up, and a message that actually matters. Save this video if you're not ready yet, but don't wait too long, because every day you delay is a day you could be stacking residual income and building something real. So if you're ready to stop surviving and start building a business that reflects your values, your vision, and your goals, this is your moment. The full title of this video is Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System. Residual income isn't a dream, it's a decision. And the only thing standing between you and freedom is the system you choose to trust. Choose one that's built for you, one that respects your time, one that pays you to solve real problems. Don't wait for permission to build your own. And I want to show you this, this is important, that this is not an income disclaimer. I'm not saying you can make a certain amount of money. Can you? Yeah, but I don't know you. I don't know your work ethic. I don't know if you're going to stay consistent. So can it work? Yes, it can work. It's the training you need to stand out from everybody else, to learn attraction marketing, to learn how to make daily leads, traffic, and sales. Okay, I have made some money, and I want to show you. I also share with my team. Okay, I'll show you in the next video, but I've showed it in several videos before this. Okay, so there's proof. If you need it, I can show it to you. But I want to show you, like I said, I don't know your work ethic, but if you stay consistent, this will work for you, and it will work for everybody else. You can plug people into the training, and you can build HBA or any other system. Okay, HBA is super powerful though, because it's $25 and it pays $20 a month residually. Okay, residual income is powerful. Okay, this is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your funny neighborhood Saleh man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.